Hey guys, after all of this drama, after all of this, you know what? We might pay some tribute to Daniel Naroditsky. We might watch a game between Carlsen and Kramnik, the procedure master. It was a game in 2000, it was played in 2015, and I just wanted to show you how amazingly Magnus Carlsen destroyed Kramnik. But the thing is, they both played engine moves. They've both played like aliens, and that's why I wanted to show you this game. We are playing in the real Lopez, and black has actually equalized the position. If you turn the compute engine on, it's gonna be equal. Plus 0.2. Never mind, guys, but it's very equal. Anyway, d takes e, knight takes e4, bishop e4, e takes d. And here we have a very important moment in the chess game. Because Magnus could just take. And materially it's equal. But you know what? Magnus Carlsen wants to win every game he plays, right? So why would he give himself an isolated pawn, allow black to play like something like this? Let's say bishop f4 and knight to d5. Completely stop this pawn and just have no advantage. Right. He wants to do something different. He plays queen to c2. And now he plays actively. If he takes, man, a5, bishop c3. I think it's even queen takes c3. One pawn down only. But look how much activity. And there is something prepared for being for the king, right? So that's why Kramnik wants to defend. Rook to d1, developing the rook on the open file. Whenever you see an open file, put your rook here. That's what Capablanca said. Champion of the world, number 3. Knight takes d4, a5, bishop takes a5, knight f3, b5 here, knight d4, knight, bishop c7, knight c6. And what I want to show you is that many of you guys, even me, I would give up here. If we move the queen, knight is taken. If the knight is moved, the queen is taken by both things, right? Knight or rook. But actually, Kramnik finds a move. Queen takes d6. Looking at h2. And now if bishop takes, checkmate. If rook takes, I don't know exactly, to be honest, guys. But it's problematic whenever you see something like this. Won't you agree? Even queen takes g2. I mean, white is in trouble. Bishop b7 and the bishop is gonna attack 1, 2, 3 pieces. It's not going great. f5 is coming. King on the middle of the game equals a problem. So, queen takes d6, g3, bishop b7, bishop f4, queen takes c6, and I just want to show you what is going on, because again, there are so many pins, so many options. If he takes, obviously we take the queen. So the queen needs to move. The best move is usually taking every piece. We take, and here something like this could happen, right? Bishop b7 and rook to d7, and Kramnik is in trouble. But he decides to play rook to e1. Sacrifice the rook. After taking, the white squares are so weak that it was worth to sacrifice the rook. And also the bishop. Bishop c7. Oh. Amazing sacrifice, guys. But happily, he plays king h2. And there, he sacrifices the queen. Now you can take the rook. You can take the queen. Obviously, you take the queen. He doesn't even take this rook. He takes this one. The rook cannot even move to any other square than d1. Because if it moves here, rook h1, amazing checkmate. Also, the bishop is here. You cannot really take it. So rook d1, rook to d8, queen e2. But you know what's the best thing about all of this? That Magnus Carlsen is kind of defending all of those tactics. And he ends up winning anyway. It's a queen against bishop and the rook. and that's not a good deal. The queen is gonna destroy those pieces, because the two pieces cannot be as coordinated as one single queen. Queen a7, king to g3. We need at least two pieces to checkmate opponent's king, right? So that's why we need to use our king. King f4, queen b7, queen rook d6, g6, queen to b8, rook to d5, king to e4, queen b7, king to d4, rook to c4, king e5. And guys, can you see what's going on? Also, I might link a game that I played at the end of October 2025, where I hung a mate with this mode of the queen and the king just mating on g7. Rook c2, king f6. Yeah, I literally had a winning position, plus 17. Checkmate in like 10 moves, I don't know. And I hung mating too. Crazy. Anyway, queen b8. Here we have interesting move, queen to g3, and we play g5 because we want to close this line file. And look how good this king is, being defended by the enemy's pieces. Now Kramnik surrenders, and I don't know if he wanted to start the procedure, but this is the end of our procedure, guys. There's nothing else to do, because if you push queen to h4, what can you do? King to g8, queen h6, threat king g7 anyway. You might take, right? I mean, it's always worth to fight. Maybe your opponent's gonna make a mistake. Again, what do you wanna do? Rook f3, queen g7, whatever you do, there's a checkmate, guys. I mean, I just wanna highlight how good Magnus Carlsen actually was. I mean, he still is, but I feel like he's not in his ultimate prime like he was in 2015. Like there was procedure required for him in 2015, I feel like. Anyway, guys, let's make chess great again. Let's stay together. Let's all learn chess. Let's create a nice positive community where we don't accuse each other of cheating. Cheating is bad. It's not gonna give you anything. Just about war, about taking risks, feeling the stress and all that, and not cheating. Don't cheat, guys. It's not gonna be that fun. You can join our Discord server where we, grow together, when we learn from each other. You can subscribe and you can give a like, because, well, I think we are doing and planning to give something back to chess, as we all love this game. Thank you, guys, and bye.